Are you looking to boost your Magento store's revenue effortlessly? The Magento 2 Auto Cross-Sell extension automatically suggests related products to customers, boosting their chances of adding more items to their cart and improving their shopping experience. So, what exactly is the Magento 2 Auto Cross-Sell extension? Essentially, it's a tool that automatically displays related products to customers as they browse your store. Imagine a customer looking at a smartphone on your site. This extension might suggest a phone case or a screen protector right there on the product page. It's all about making smart product suggestions that are likely to complement what the customer is already interested in. Moving on to the key features. One of the standout features is its ability to use intelligent product suggestions. It doesn't just guess what the customer might like. It analyzes what they're viewing or what's in their cart and then suggests products that make sense. Another feature is the flexibility in setting up rules for these suggestions. As a store owner, you can decide which products show up as cross-sells or upsells. You can base these rules on things like product attributes, category relationships, or even historical purchase data. For top Magento 2 Auto Cross-Sell extensions, Magento Who Bought This Also Bought suggests items based on purchase history, while Magento lets you tailor recommendations to your marketing strategy. Beaconing's Boost Sales uses AI and pop-ups to push relevant products, and Magento Who Viewed This Also Viewed adds social proof by showing what others have browsed. When setting up the extension, make sure to configure the settings to display 3 to 4 related products per block. This gives customers enough options without overwhelming them. And don't forget to test different layouts and placements. A/B testing can be super helpful here. Experiment with different titles or block placements to see what resonates most with your customers. We hope you found this overview of the Magento 2 Auto Cross-Sell extension helpful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on Magento and e-commerce platforms.